Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus to work.
When does your workday start?
My workday starts at 9 a.m.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch in the office cafeteria.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
How often do you read books?
I read books every evening.
Does she drink coffee?
Yes, she drinks coffee every morning.
Do they play sports?
Yes, they play basketball on weekends.
How often do you watch TV?
I watch TV every evening.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What does he do?
He teaches English.
Do you study online?
Yes, I study online every day.
Where does she go to school?
She goes to Central High School.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job very much.
What do you do in your free time?
I play guitar in my free time.
Does he collect stamps?
Yes, he collects stamps as a hobby.
Do you paint pictures?
No, I don't really paint pictures. But I like to draw from time to time when I'm feeling creative.
What sports do you play?
I like to play tennis and volleyball. They're my go-to sports because they keep me active and having fun.
Do you dance?
Yes, I love to dance, especially ballet. There's something about the rhythm and grace of it that I really enjoy.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I like cooking dinner every day. It's something I find relaxing, and I enjoy experimenting with new recipes.
What do you like to eat?
I really like Italian food. Pasta, pizza, and everything in between, it's my favorite cuisine.
Do you drink tea?
No, I don't drink tea. I prefer coffee or maybe some juice when I'm in the mood for something refreshing.
Where do you have lunch?
I usually have lunch at the cafeteria. Sometimes I take a break there to catch up with friends, too.
Do you like to eat meat?
No, I don't eat meat. I like to keep things plant-based and enjoy the variety of veggies and alternatives.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents. It's nice because I like spending time with them, whether I'm watching a movie or just chatting.
Does your sister work?
Yes, my sister works at a hospital. I admire her dedication, and it's always interesting to hear about her day.
Where do your grandparents live?
My grandparents live in the countryside. I love visiting them, it's peaceful, and I enjoy the fresh air and open spaces.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have 2 cats. I really like their playful personalities and how they keep me company.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother does most of the cooking in my family. She's a great cook, and I love to help her out when I can.
Does it snow here in winter?
Yes, it does snow here in winter. I like the snow, especially when everything looks so peaceful and white.
What season do you like?
I like spring the most. The weather is just right, and I enjoy seeing all the flowers bloom.
When does winter start?
Winter starts in December. I'm always excited for the holidays that come with it, like Christmas and New Year.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't particularly like rainy days. They make me feel a bit gloomy, though I do enjoy staying inside with a good book when it's wet outside.
How do you get to school?
I ride my bike to school. It's a great way to enjoy the fresh air and get some exercise before my day begins.
Does the bus come on time?
Yes, the bus usually comes on time. I like it when it's punctual because it means I don't have to rush.
Where do you park your car?
I park my car in the garage. It's convenient, and I like knowing it's safe and out of the weather.
Do trains run all night?
No, trains don't run all night. But I like how reliable they are during the day for getting around.
How often do you drive?
I drive every day. I like the freedom that comes with driving, whether it's for errands or just going on a little adventure.
Where do you buy groceries?
I like clothing stores the most. It's fun to find new styles, and I enjoy trying on different outfits.
Do you shop online?
Yes, I use credit cards. They're super convenient, and I like how they make shopping easier.
Where do they sell fresh fruit?
Fresh fruit is sold at the market. I like going there because the fruit is always fresh, and I can support local vendors.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends. I love relaxing with a good film, whether it's action, comedy, or drama.
What music do you like?
I really like rock music. There's something about the energy and power of it that resonates with me.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes. It's a fun way to unwind and challenge myself.
Do you read magazines?
Yes, I read magazines, especially ones about lifestyle or fashion. They're a great way to stay updated on trends.
Where do you go for fun?
I like going to the park for fun. Whether I'm walking, sitting by a pond, or just enjoying nature, it's a relaxing escape.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends. I enjoy spending time with them and making memories together.
Where do you meet friends?
I meet friends at cafes. It's the perfect spot to catch up, grab a coffee, and chat about everything.
Do you go to parties?
Yes, I go to parties. I like socializing and having fun with friends, especially when there's good music and dancing.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media every day. It's a great way to stay connected with people and share my life.
How often do you call your friends?
I call my friends every week. I enjoy hearing from them and making sure everyone is doing well.
Do you use computers?
Yes, I use computers daily. They're essential for work, school, and entertainment.
Do you have a smartphone?
Yes, I have a smartphone. It's super convenient for staying connected, browsing the web, or watching videos.
Where do you charge your phone?
I charge my phone in my room. It's where I like to keep it safe and ready for the day.
Do you play online games?
No, I don't play online games. I prefer playing games on my own or with friends in person.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet a lot. It's helpful for everything from researching schoolwork to streaming my favorite shows.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise daily. I like staying fit and active, whether it's jogging, yoga, or hitting the gym.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m. It's a good routine that helps me wake up feeling refreshed.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, I take vitamins. I like knowing that I'm giving my body the nutrients it needs.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat healthy food. I like making sure my meals are balanced and nutritious.
How often do you see a doctor?
I see a doctor twice a year. I like staying on top of my health and making sure everything is good.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English. I like how versatile it is, whether I'm traveling, working, or just chatting with people.
Do you understand Spanish?
Yes, I understand Spanish. I like that it gives me a bit of an edge when communicating in different situations.
Where do you study languages?
I study languages at school. I enjoy learning new languages and expanding my understanding of the world.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write in English. I like how expressive it can be when I'm sharing ideas or telling stories.
Do you teach languages?
Yes, I teach French. I enjoy helping others learn and seeing them improve their skills.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer. It's a time for vacations, beach days, and long evenings with friends.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I enjoy dancing. I like the way it makes me feel alive and free.